Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Ally Bank buckets for down payment saving strategies. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Ally Bank buckets for your down payment savings strategy, start by logging into your Ally Bank account. Once logged in, navigate to the savings section on the homepage. Look for the buckets feature within your savings account options. Click on the Create a Bucket button to begin setting up your savings goals. Name your bucket something recognizable, like down payment. Select a target date for when you plan to have this savings ready. Next, customize your bucket by choosing a color or icon that represents it well. After customizing, review your settings and click on Create Bucket to finalize. Now, return to your main savings account page to see your new bucket listed. To add funds, click on your newly created bucket. Choose the amount you want to transfer into this bucket from your available balance. Confirm the transfer and watch your savings start to grow. You can monitor your progress toward your goal by checking the percentages displayed. Adjust your contributions as necessary to stay on track for your target date. Review your buckets periodically to reassess your savings strategy as needed. By utilizing buckets, you can easily organize and prioritize your savings for a down payment. This method simplifies saving and keeps your financial goals in clear view. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.